This is something you and I have been reporting out together. The way I'd summarize it, you give us the details, is need money, need compute, make some friends across the Middle East.
That's right. It's never too early, I think, for these AI companies to start thinking about the next funding round, even if they're weeks before they've closed the last one. And, we're talking about, the billions at this point. Anthropic's last round, they raised $13 billion at $183 billion valuation. If you're thinking about what kinds of pools of capital are out there at that scale, the Middle East is increasingly sort of one of the only remaining pools that's going to make those kinds of investments at that level in these still unprofitable, still somewhat seen as risky, right, AI companies.
Shirin, what's interesting, and as you and Ed make clear in the story, is Qatar had been a pool of capital for them previously, but they had to make amends for previous choice words when it came to other Middle East pools of capital.
That's right. So Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei has, in the past made comments. There was a memo to his own staff saying that, acknowledging that sort of fundraising in, or that they would be taking money in the Middle East, and that there are trade-offs there, and that the company would sort of have to come to terms with the fact that not everything that they do will always be helping democracies, that it may help dictators. And so, of course, with the Middle East, having a different sort of set of governments, that is a new reality, I think, for these CEOs of AI companies, that they may be making deals with countries that have different and maybe more undemocratic systems, right, than here in the US.